The journey of chocolate begins with the arrival of raw cacao beans, sourced globally. These precious beans.
Our first crucial step is meticulous cleaning and sorting. Impurities are carefully removed.
Precision machinery then takes over, gently tumbling the beans to dislodge any remaining surface dirt and debris, preparing them for their transformation. Advanced optical scanners meticulously inspect each bean, ensuring only those of perfect quality continue their journey, upholding our commitment to excellence. Steppers. Even with advanced technology, human expertise remains vital. Our skilled technicians perform rigorous manual quality. The perfectly cleaned beans are then held in specialized silos, awaiting their critical transformation through the roasting process.
Every step is meticulously monitored and controlled by our expert team, ensuring optimal conditions for the delicate cacao beans.
This level of purity is paramount, as even the slightest imperfection can impact the final flavor profile of our premium chocolate.
With cleaning complete, the beans are now ready for the transformative heat of roasting, a critical stage in flavor development. A final sifting ensures that only beans of the ideal size and density proceed, optimizing the roasting process. Gravity assists in the gentle transfer, guiding the beans smoothly into the next phase of their transformation. Even at this stage, samples are taken for rigorous laboratory testing, confirming the quality and readiness for roasting. Each individual bean represents the potential for rich flavor, a testament to the care taken in its preparation.
The cleaned cacao beans now enter the roasting phase, where precise temperatures are applied to develop their distinctive flavor and aroma. Inside the roaster, the beans undergo a profound chemical change, as sugars caramelize and complex flavor compounds emerge.
Precision is key. Our operators carefully control the roasting parameters, ensuring each batch achieves the perfect flavor profile.
This integral system ensures a continuous flow, transforming raw beans into aromatic roasted cacao on an industrial scale. The next critical step is cracking the roasted beans, preparing them for the separation of the valuable cocoa nibs from their shells.
Through a process called winnowing, air currents precisely separate the lighter shells from the heavier, nutrient-rich cocoa nibs.
These cocoa nibs are the very essence of chocolate, packed with intense flavor and the natural fats that will become cocoa butter.
Even at this stage, our experts meticulously inspect the nibs, ensuring their purity and readiness for grinding.
The cocoa nibs are then transferred to powerful ball mills, where they will undergo intensive grinding to release their natural fats.
The result is a superfine chocolate powder, a testament to the refining process, now ready for the final. Quality control extends to microscopic levels, ensuring the particle size is consistently fine for the ultimate smooth mouthfeel. Under the microscope, the uniformity of the particles is evident, a direct result of meticulous refining, promising a truly smooth chocolate. The finely refined chocolate powder now enters the conche, a specialized machine where the magic of flavor development truly unfolds.
The intense friction of the grinding process generates heat, melting the cocoa butter and transforming the solid nibs.
Samples of the fresh cocoa liquor are regularly taken for quality control, ensuring its purity and consistency before blending.
Precise measurements of density and fat content are crucial, as these properties directly influence the final chocolate's texture and mouthfeel.
The freshly produced cocoa liquor is stored in temperature-controlled tanks, maintaining its liquid state and preserving its rich aroma.
Powerful pumps carefully transfer the warm cocoa liquor to the mixing areas, ensuring a continuous and consistent supply.
Constant monitoring of pressure ensures the smooth and safe transfer of this valuable ingredient throughout the factory.
Manual intervention, guided by experience, is sometimes necessary to precisely control the flow of cocoa liquor into the next processing stage.
This bustling extraction zone is where the raw cacao bean is transformed into its most fundamental form,
pure, rich cocoa liquor.
Automated sampling ensures continuous quality assurance, allowing for real-time adjustments to the process.
Each tiny nib is a powerhouse of flavor, containing the essential components that will define our chocolate. The cocoa liquor is kept in constant agitation and at a precise temperature, ensuring its homogeneity before the next stage. The visual confirmation of a smooth, consistent flow is vital, indicating the successful extraction and preparation of our cocoa liquor. The extraction phase concludes with the creation of our pure cocoa liquor, a rich, flavorful foundation ready for the art of chocolate making. With the cocoa liquor prepared, we now blend it with other essential ingredients: fine sugar and creamy milk powder.
Ingredients combine to form a nascent chocolate mass, a coarse paste that requires extensive refinement to achieve its characteristic smoothness.
Precise control over mixing speed and temperature is vital to ensure an even distribution of ingredients and a consistent chocolate base.
This integrated system transitions the chocolate mass from a coarse mixture to a finely refined powder.
This intense shearing action reduces the chocolate particles to an incredibly fine consistency, imperceptible to the...
For hours, the chocolate mass is continuously kneaded and aerated, developing its complex flavor profile and incredibly smooth texture.
Even with advanced machinery, the human touch remains vital, ensuring every particle of chocolate is perfectly conched.
After hours of conching, the chocolate achieves its characteristic velvety smoothness and rich, developed...
Sensory evaluation is paramount. Our experts taste the chocolate at this stage, ensuring the flavor profile meets our exacting standards.
The perfectly conched chocolate is then transferred to holding tanks, maintaining its liquid state and temperature before tempering. Tempering is the art of stabilizing the chocolate's crystal structure, giving it its signature gloss, snap, and resistance to blooming.
The chocolate is carefully heated and cooled through precise cycles, encouraging the formation of stable cocoa butter crystals.
Our technicians meticulously monitor the tempering process, ensuring the chocolate achieves the perfect crystalline structure for optimal quality.
A quick spread test confirms proper tempering, as the chocolate rapidly sets with a beautiful, glossy finish.
The satisfying snap is the ultimate indicator of perfectly tempered chocolate, a hallmark of premium quality.
This sophisticated refinement zone transforms the raw cocoa liquor into the luxurious, perfectly tempered chocolate we know and love.
Automated rheological analysis ensures the chocolate's flow properties are perfectly suited for molding and achieve the desired mouthfeel.
Every drop of tempered chocolate reflects the meticulous care taken in its preparation, promising a flawless final product. The perfectly tempered liquid chocolate is now gently transferred, maintaining its precise temperature, towards the final molding stage. Maintaining this precise temperature is paramount, as even a slight deviation can compromise the chocolate's temper and final quality.
A final visual inspection confirms the chocolate's flawless quality, ensuring it is perfectly prepared for molding.
Held at its ideal temperature, the tempered chocolate awaits its transformation into its final, beloved form.
The purification and refinement journey culminates here, delivering perfectly tempered liquid chocolate.
The perfectly tempered chocolate now flows into precisely engineered molds, beginning its transformation into the iconic bars our customers cherish.
Gentle vibrations ensure every bar is free of air bubbles, guaranteeing a perfect, smooth surface and consistent texture.
The filled molds enter a precisely controlled cooling tunnel, allowing the chocolate to solidify slowly and evenly, preserving its temper and snap.
Once perfectly solidified, the chocolate bars are gently released from their molds, revealing their pristine form. Each solid chocolate bar undergoes a final visual inspection, ensuring its perfect appearance and structural integrity. Our dedicated team performs a final manual quality assurance check, ensuring every bar meets our rigorous standards of perfection. The perfect chocolate bar is then encased in its primary packaging, a vibrant green foil that preserves its freshness and appeal. Robotic precision ensures each foil-wrapped bar is carefully placed into its branded secondary packaging, ready for distribution.
The beautifully packaged chocolate cartons represent the culmination of our meticulous bean-to-bar journey.